Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we will be using a long division to divide in this given example. The next thing I want to make sure that both our dividend and our divisor both are in descending order, and as we can see in our example we are in a good shape. So let's go ahead and get started with our long division. The very first thing I want you to go ahead and focus on this leading term in the dividend, which is 6x power 3. And now I want you to focus on the leading term on the divisor, which is 2x divided by that 2x. Write it down over here and see what you get when you divide it. You're going to get 3x squared, isn't it? I want you to put down this 3x squared right on the top, right up here, 3x squared. Now I want you to multiply this 3x squared with both of these terms in the divisor. Let's go ahead and multiply them out. So that's going to give you 6x power 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9x power 2. So the next thing what I want you to do is I want you to switch the sign. So positive become negative, negative become positive. So this positive 6x power 3, change this one to negative sign, and this positive become negative as well. So the next thing what you see is these two terms are gone. So we ended up with the negative 2x squared. Now I want you to bring these two terms over here down right here, plus x and plus 1. Now let's go ahead and start the process all over again as we did before. Look at the leading term, which is negative 2x squared. I want you to put down negative 2x squared right up here, divided by the leading term on the divisor, which is 2x. You divide it by 2x, that's gonna give you negative x. I want you to put down this negative x right on top, right here, negative x. Now go ahead and multiply this negative x with both of these terms outside, which is your divisor. So when you multiply this thing, that's gonna give you negative 2x squared minus 3x. Once again, I want you to change the sign, switch the sign. So this negative become positive and this negative become positive. So what happens? So these two terms cancel out. So we got positive x plus 3x makes plus 4x, and then bring this one down over here, that becomes plus 1. So once again we're gonna do the same thing again. Get this, the leading term, which is 4x, write it down over here, divided by, look at this leading term outside, which is 2x, and that is going to give you 2. So I want you to put down this positive 2 right up here. So multiply this positive 2 with both of these terms outside, which is your divisor. So that's going to give you 4x plus 6. Once again, I want you to change the signs. So this positive become negative and positive become negative. So this, what happens to this one? This is gone. So we got our remainder as negative 5 is our remainder. So thus our complete answer is going to be whatever your quotient right up here, just put down that one, 3x squared minus x plus 2, and then you put down with the remainder, R stand for remainder, minus 5. and that is your answer. But sometime your professor might ask you to put it a little bit differently. We might put it in a different way as well. We can put it, or I can put it like this thing. I want you to put down this. Your quotient is what? 3x squared minus x plus 2, and then I want you to put down plus, and then your remainder is going to be on the top, which is negative 5 divided by your divisor, which is 2x plus 3. So both of these form of these answers are acceptable. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.